Today we're going to $20 trees in one day. You'll see the good, the bad, and the ugly. I've got water, I've got coffee, I've got Patrick driving. Let's get started. And we're off. My mission today is this metal lace. Now, why am I doing this? So, have you ever seen something at a Dollar Tree one day, but go back the next day and it's gone? I hate that. Then you think, will another store have it? Well, today, we're going to find out. Our first stop. This is the Dollar Tree closest to my house, maybe like 5 minutes to get here. So the best thing about shopping at Dollar Tree is the thrill of the hunt. You never know what you're gonna find. So I really love these cloches. They're plastic, but they have a lot of potential for a lot of different projects. Now, we're looking for this metal lace, and sometimes you just have to dig for stuff. If you've ever been to a Dollar Tree, you know what I mean. These are interesting. I saw a project recently, and I'm gonna use this as the background for it. Along the way, I'll rate each store with a golden dollar rating from $1 to $5. So the criteria for our rating system is store cleanliness, how well stocked it is, how big a craft section they have, and the overall impression. At the end, I'll crown one store with the golden dollar trophy for excellence in Dollar Tree-ness. So I'm gonna give this store a rating of 2. I know that seems a little bit harsh, but hey, it is what it is. Okay, store number 2. You ready? Let's go! So have you ever walked into the store and seen this? It's kind of fun. It's like a balloon forest or kelp under the sea. Oh, here's the cloche again. Hey, these are pretty cute. 4 of them just like that. Not bad. Now this I like because it looks like our logo, and I'm going to make a 3-dimensional real live version of our logo. I usually don't shop in the frozen food section, but they've got a lot of good stuff here, especially some treats. And we've already been to 2 stores, so it's time to refill. So one of the things I'm doing today is making note of which stores have self-checkouts. This one did not, but there was a really friendly cashier. And these little items an employee had made and was actually selling them in the store for Mother's Day. It's a great craft idea. Take note.
I'd say that's a good 4 or 4.5. Dollar Tree number 3.
So this store was out of helium, which is really sad compared to the last store. Have you ever seen this gun looking for helium and they were out? Oh, there's that cloche again. One of the other things I wanted to do was keep a lookout for the $7 items at the store. Now this is a cute little item. It's a tape dispenser. They have it in gold tone and in rose gold or copper finish. Now I've never bought candles here, but they've got a pretty good stock. Also aromatherapy, which I use a lot, and the scent cubes, which I use in several places in the house. Now I've used these on a past project and they have lots of potential for other things. And these little guys inspired a project that I'll be working on soon. I didn't find any of my metal lace here, but I did find these succulents for another project I'm working on. And these bamboo skewers are good for little dowel rods. Overall, I gave the store a rating of 3. All right, number 4. So this is the biggest store yet, and I really liked it. It was nice and clean. Oh, there's the cloche again. Uh-oh, look out, don't run him over. They have a great party supply section here. Just about everything you could possibly imagine, and in every color, which is something you normally don't see at most of the Dollar Trees. And this, it's insane.
Number 5.
There's the cloche and a back scratcher. They have all sorts of stuff. And these will be good for a little project I'll be working on in the car, a little section I like to call car crafting. Have you ever peeked backstage to see what's going on? Busted. Done shows in this theater. It's a pretty cool old movie theater that now functions as both a live theater and a movie theater. Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh, whoa. You're making it too bumpy. Okay. Okay, this is our first pit stop. Cane's Chicken. Bye, Elvis. So here's the recap so far. We spent a lot of time on the first 5 stores, and I'm afraid we're gonna run out of time, so we need to pick up the pace.
Number 6.
Number 7. Store number 6 is organized and clean, but I didn't purchase anything. But number 7, I didn't expect. I was in for a rude awakening. Remember when I said the good and bad and the ugly? This is the ugly. Yikes. It smelled a little bit like something that's illegal in most states. But they did have the cloche. Oh, and these cool mirrors. I ended up buying these. I would like to get out of this store as soon as possible.
Number 8.
So, looking for the metal lace again.
Found it? I found it. Awesome. 1. Maybe there are more.
Well, there weren't. And it only took 8 stores to find one roll.
Number 9.
Almost halfway through. Hey, these are kind of cute. They come in all sorts of colors, and I like the black for a special little Halloween trinket. And these I've used on a couple of different projects. Oh, cloche number 9.
Here we go. Number 10.
And you should always be ready for the unexpected. You never know what's gonna happen when you're headed to Dollar Tree. To everyone watching, this is a painful reminder to double bag when you're buying 2-liter bottles of soda. Ooh, fashion socks. Forget about Macy's. Again, looking for the $7 items, but didn't find anything, at least not that was clearly labeled. So this store only had self-checkouts. A lot of stores apparently are taking them out. Now this is a pretty pattern. Looks more expensive than it is, and you don't have to just eat off of it. Make something decorative out of it. And now it's time for car crafting with Rick. How do you like my little table? I got this at Five Below. It's adjustable. Usually I use it in the front seat while I'm driving to hold snacks and things like that. And I promise you, I only ever craft at stoplights. Never craft and drive. This message was brought to you by the Car Crafters Association of America. So some of you might think it's crazy to drive around to all of these Dollar Trees to find what I'm looking for, and it seems that it would be easier just to order at dollartree.com. The problem is that it's not very reliable. At least it wasn't for me. Now, as a costume designer, I used to drive literally thousands of miles a month, resourcing all the things. I mean, it's great that I live in a big metropolitan area because I had a lot of choices, but I really got used to putting the miles on my car and spending my days looking for just the perfect thing. So this is no different. It's just for fun. All right, there it's done. Now I can sit back and relax. I've just got to let it dry for 24 hours. So, 10 stores so far, 10 stores to go, only one roll of metal lace. I don't think we're gonna make it.
Number 11. It's 4:30.
This is quite an adventure, and you never know who you'll run into. Does this guy look familiar? Hey, Balloon Forest number 3. And no metal trim. Moving on. Oh, there's the cloche.
I'm in a part of the Metroplex that I've never been in before. Going to a Dollar Tree that I've never been to before. What an exciting day. This will be number 12.
So this is an old school store with big wide aisles in an old part of town. No lace here either. And we've really got to pick up the pace, so no purchases. Love the store, but we're out.
Okay, we're coming on number 13 right now. Let's hope 13 is good luck. We are approaching Dollar Tree number 14. My friend Frank's favorite Dollar Tree. There he is.
Hey.
We picked him up. It's the closest one to his house. We're pulling into Dollar Tree number 15 now.
So we've seen some good, we've seen some ugly, and this started out really well, and then it turned really bad. So this is the bad.
Branch of Dollar Tree has been here.
Very bad. But they did have a craft section. Ooh, ever wonder what's underneath the shelves? Well, don't. Ooh, a coffee sounds nice, but otherwise, I think we should get moving. I'm not sure if the store is closing or they're remodeling. Either way, it's in pretty bad shape. So this definitely qualifies as the worst store of the day, and maybe the worst one I've ever seen.
Sweet 16.
So it's about time for dinner, and apparently I'm getting hungry because I keep picking out things that look like food. They have a pretty good craft section here. I love all these laser cut wood items, and these keys will go great with the key fobs that I found earlier. And these are for another project that I'm working on. I'm making sort of an antique altar.
It's time for dinner. It is, I think, around 5:30, and we're stopping at a Payway in Addison, Texas. 4 locations left. Let's see if we can do it by the time they close.
Store 17 and store number 18. There was nothing too exciting about either one of them. There were a couple of things that I hadn't seen before that I liked.
It's starting to get dark, but we're at Dollar Tree number 19.
Now this is something that I hadn't seen at any of the other stores. The giant balloons. These were only $5. So apparently people have been decorating in store. I did find a couple of things that would make some good projects that I hadn't seen somewhere else, and then there they are, 2 rolls of my metal lace. Can you believe it? And actually, they're a pattern that I hadn't seen before. 2 different ones. So that was really exciting. Of course, gotta check and see if there are any more. Leave no stone unturned.
Wait, here's one.
What? Another one? Well, thank you, Frank. Look at that.
This is a fancy Dollar Tree. A paper bag. I've never seen that before.
So here are all the store ratings so far of stores 1 through 19. We've had a couple of 4.5s and even a 25-cent store. I'm still looking for that $5 golden Dollar Tree store with a perfect score of 5 golden dollars.
It is 8:25 and we are at store number 20. I can't believe it. We did it.
Here. All right, we had a couple of things that were new that I hadn't seen, and wouldn't you know, every single store had the cloche. And lo and behold, 2 more rolls of my metal lace. That brings my total to 6. Now this, to me, was the nicest store. It was really well stocked and very clean. And the cashier was really friendly. So we saved the best store for last, even though we didn't know it. So I'm giving this store a perfect 5 golden dollar score, giving it the Golden Dollar Award for Best Dollar Tree out of 20.
Thank you for shopping at Dollar Tree.
Number 20, we did it. Last purchase. And the 19th and the 20th store had my metal lace. Woohoo! Time to go home. We're only an hour and a half away. And it's starting to rain. In the dark. Good night, sweet Dollar Tree.
Was it worth it? Well, I have 6 of the metal lace that I didn't have before. So let me know, have you ever spent the day running around looking for something that you need?
9:40 and we just made it home. We're done. Mission complete.
Not a bad haul, and Stormy really loved it, especially the paper bag. Well, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, you're gonna love this one.